This is lesson 10-1, problem 1024. In this problem, we need to solve for x, and we again need to try to rewrite this problem so we get some things we can deal with, some things we know how to solve, okay? So when I look at a problem like this, I want to try to get the same base numbers, okay? So notice, remember, the bigger numbers here are your base numbers, and then, right, your smaller numbers are your exponents, all right? So I'm gonna leave 4 to the 4th power as it is, and I wanna try to rewrite 16, so I'm gonna leave that x there, as, I wanna try to have the same base as I do on the left-hand side of my equal sign. So I wanna see if I can rewrite 16 as 4 to some power. And I know that 4 squared is the same as 16, okay? So all I did here was I just took 16, I rewrote it as 4 squared. That's the only thing we changed so far. And then I'm just gonna kind of keep going here. So I'm gonna leave this as it is. And then I know with my exponent rules that I can take these two exponents and multiply them together when I have an exponent raised to the power. So that gives me the base number of 4, and then 2 times x just gives me 2x. Okay, so now we're almost done. Whenever I have the same base number, I can just drop the base number and set my two exponents equal to each other. So I get 4 equal to 2x, and then I can just go ahead and solve for x. So I get x equals 2. Okay. All right, let's look at another problem. So for the problem 3 to the 5th equal to 9 to the 2x. All right, so again, I want to try to look at those base numbers, and I want to try to get them to be the same. So I'm going to leave the smaller one as it is, 3 to the 5th, the smaller base number. And then I'm going to try to change the 9 somehow. I want that to be 3 to some power. And I know that 3 squared is the same as 9. So all we did was we rewrote 9 as 3 squared. Okay. So I'm going to keep solving, knowing what I know about exponents. When I have an exponent raised to a power, I multiply those together. So I get my base of 3. And when I multiply those exponents together, 2 times 2x, I get 4x. All right. Once I have the same base number, I can drop those bases and set the exponents equal to each other and solve for x. Okay, so we get that x equals 5/4, or you're welcome to make that a decimal if you would like.